back to my channel. It's Couture Lee, and today I'm doing a how I lay my lace fronts. So it's really pretty simple. You guys can get any stocking cap that you want, something that fits your skin tone preferably. And then I'm going to just go in with my Got2b spray, and I'm just spraying all around the front to lay the cap down. This process gets really tricky, you guys, because sometimes the cap can lift if you do not apply enough of the spray. So I'm just really going in with the spray, you guys. Don't be scared because it's not gonna hurt anything. So I'm just gonna go on in with my blow dryer and just blow dry it out until I feel like, it's okay, and I still let it dry. Okay, so now I am going to go in and just cut where the ear is to make a section so the cap can go over my ear. It doesn't matter how you do it, just make a small little hole, you guys, and it will tear like you did right there for me, but it's all good. You're just cutting it, it's cool. And then after this, I'm going to go in with the Got2b gel and lay down the corners because it can lift sometimes with just the spray. Okay, you guys, so this step right here is very crucial. So I'm going to go in with any scissors, preferably a razor, you guys, because I did nick myself in this and I made myself bleed. So try and use like a razor, something else that's more precise. So I'm going in and I'm cutting to a point where you can put the cap on. So when you put your wig on, you cannot see the cap. So go in, and this will take some time. So just take your time doing this so you guys don't cut yourself. Okay, you guys, so this hair is from LUVME Hair Affordable Luxury Hair Company, and so this hair that I have is a 24-inch body wave, and I did purchase this unit myself. So you guys, I really love this unit, and this is its natural state. So they always give you some goodies when you shop with them. So the first thing is the wax stick. They always give you a wax stick, and it does lay down baby hairs and flyaways, and they also give you a wig cap to fit your head. They're like a one-size-fit-all wig cap. And then they lastly give you a hair clip. LUVME, it's so cute. I did wear one before when I purchased another wig from them. So let's get right back into the video. Okay, y'all, so I grabbed the wig to try and see if I cut enough. So I obviously didn't, so I need to go right back in and finish cutting. So we're going to go in and cut until you cannot see your cap when you're applying your wig. guys, this is what I mean when you guys have to be careful so you won't cut yourself. Okay, so now I'm going in with a foundation or powder of your choice to put on your wig cap. You guys need to let it be a foundation that really matches your skin tone, or powder, because you do not want it to be looking crazy underneath your wig. You want your wig to look nice and natural, so you need to pick the right shade when putting it on your wig cap. Okay, you guys, so I'm going in with my mousse, and I'm going in just to pluck some. I was not sure if what part I wanted to do, so right now this was just the middle part, but I just went in to pluck my hairline some. So this was when I decided that I wanted a side part, so I went in with my comb and I was trying to get my part straightened, and I just kept playing around with it. You guys will see when I finally get my part right. Here we go. So my part is all nice and ready, and then I'm going to go in and tweeze the front of it some to my liking. You guys can determine how you want your frontal to look, so I just went in and I tweezed to my desire. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going in with my Got To Be spray. I do not use glue anymore because it can harm your edges. So I advise all my ladies to stick to the spray. Don't use the glue. So we're going to go in and spray it down and then use the dryer on hot. Do not use it on cold. Use it on hot so it can really melt in that lace. So then I'm going to go in and get the edges, like the tip of the wig right there by the little flap. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Sometimes it does not want to stay down, so you do have to go in and use more of the spray to make sure it lays down flat. Also, you guys, I use the comb to really sink in the lace. So you use the comb to push the lace into your scalp so the lace can look melted. That's a trick, you guys. Use it, and I promise you, you guys will see a change when you lay your wigs down. It's already nice and laid down, but what you have to do when you use the spray, because it makes your hair very like hard and it leaves like white residue on the frontal, so you have to go in with some alcohol. I have some 50%. Some people say use 90, but it still works the same for me. So I'm using the 50% alcohol, and I'm going to go around the edges and get into some of the hair and clean up so it won't be hard so when I style it. But this is it laid, you guys. It looks good. I want to touch it up, and after I clean it up with some alcohol, I'm going to go back in and then touch it up with some more of the Got To Be spray. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to let my hair lay down for about 20-30 minutes. Really 30 minutes because I like for mine to melt, but you know, for the sake of video, you guys want to see it just like that. So I'm going to put this scarf on and try and let the hair melt, honey, into that scalp. Alright, y'all, so I'm done with my baby hair. I'm going to go back in and lay my hair back down. So I'm going to use my CoutureBabes styling wax. LUVME Hair did send me one, but this is the one that I use. I love this one. It literally lays down any type of hair that's sticking up. It's the best, y'all. The styling wax is the best. Never stir y'all bone. And this just like when you put that pressing comb to it, it's really. Yeah, I'm going to take some concealer, any concealer of your choice. I'm using my Juvia's, and I'm going to go into the part and add some concealer and kind of play with it to blend it out so it won't be so strong. You don't want it to be, there you go. You don't want it to be like noticeable that you just put concealer there. So you guys, I haven't decided if I wanted to style it. I don't think I want to style it. I like its natural state that it comes in, and I'll probably curl it in my next video, my chit chat get ready with me. So this is the end of this, how I install my lace frontals. You guys, the hair is really enjoyed this video. I really had so much fun installing my wig. You guys slaying it. I recently just had braids, so I was really over the whole, I was like, this, where my wig? Where my wig? I need my wig. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below if you guys have any tips or tricks for installing your wig. Comment down below if you guys like this install and my technique with installing my wigs. I used to use Ghost Bond and Bow Hold, but that really can take out your edges, and I do not want my ladies to be out here with no edges. So I hope you guys really enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not a part of the Couture Squad. And also like this video. If you guys want to see another one, I'm going to be doing another video tomorrow, like my chit chat get ready with me. It'll probably already be uploaded by the time this goes up. But I'm going to do a chit chat get ready with me, and I will style this hair, you guys. And don't forget, you guys, this hair is from LUVME Hair. I will leave the link in the description box if you guys want to purchase this wig. This was a 24-inch body wave, and I love this hair, you guys. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.